The M House by Rama Architects, located on the serene shoreline of Clareville Beach in Australia, is a residential dwelling that seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings. This house, inspired by Brazilian Modernism, features a concrete structure with deep eaves, creating a sense of openness and connection with the environment. The design emphasizes privacy and tranquility, using extensive greenery that cascades from the rooftop and grows from the ground, enveloping the home and blurring the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. The interior of M House balances the contrast between hard and soft elements. The hard is manifested in the use of concrete, stone, and tallowwood, forming a robust structure with large protective eaves. Meanwhile, soft elements are introduced through light, voids, landscaping, and glass, blending the home with its natural surroundings and creating a serene living space that feels both sheltered and expansive. This harmonious blend of nature and architecture provides a restful retreat, emphasizing a deep connection with the environment.